Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. And I just wanted to show you, we got a campaign going on where you can win some free Bitcoin, right? And all you got to do is simply, you can sign up using my partner link, and then the link below that, you just click on that, go to here, right? You can win up to 1 BTC. You simply scroll down and click to join campaign, right? And you click that, and you can see I'm already registered. And all you got to do is log in. And when you click that, you're registered, right? So if you use my link and sign up down below, or if you've already signed up using my link, which there's up to a $4,000 deposit, depending on deposit requirement bonus, you just click there, and then you enter the trading competition, right? Or a chance to win 1 BTC. You can see it runs from the 13th to the 20th. During this campaign period, trading futures or spot market and exceeding 1,000 USDT in total trading, not at one time, just total trading volume entitles you to share of the 1 BTC prize pool. If you've signed up to Bitget during the campaign period or have never traded on the platform before, so if you've signed up during the campaign or you're a new sign up on your trading journey, you get a welcome of 77 BGB trading in either the futures or spot market, right? So that's pretty nice. And you can see the terms and conditions down here. And just don't be afraid to use my link. It helps support the channel. There's been 10 beautiful people that have already done that. But this is another way to try to hone in your trading skills and try to see if you can master the market and try to win some free BTC for new and existing customers, right? If you've never traded before, you might as well take advantage of that. And then if you want to use, one more thing I wanted to show you. Oops, that's wrong. I got to go back into here, go to my videos, right? This will probably not do it now because I have the worst phone service on the planet. Then you'll click here, and then we'll do that to turn that off. Then click down, right? And if you click my link, Bitget partner / Vincenzo, you can see if you sign up, and it's quick and easy. It takes 10 seconds. Email, password, confirm password, right? And then there's my referral code and sign up. Help support the channel, right? There is a, if we look at this, where was that other stuff coming from? There is a $3 coupon for KYC, $50 future trading. You get $4,000 up, depending on deposit requirement bonus, $60 spot trading reward, and $50 copy trading reward, right? So if you use my partner link right here, which is super simple and easy to use, there's up to almost a $5,000 bonus, depending on deposit requirement, whatever you do, depending on if you meet the initial deposit requirement. They give you a percentage of your initial deposit, and it's just really that simple. You just click my partner, bitget.com/Vincenzo, hit open on whatever website you use. Google Chrome seems to work the best. And then there you go. It's just all right there, straightforward, right? Very super simple and easy. And go ahead and use those links that I got down there. It all helps support the channel, right? And I appreciate all of you, the 10 people that have used that. And you can see Bitcoin did bounce earlier on this underneath support. And now we've had a nice little mini bull push up here. And you can see the dollar started to decline. If we look at the dollar, You can see the dollar is down almost it's down from 109 and change down to 108.545 and falling fast. Gold's starting to recover. The stock market's starting to recover. These were all in deep losses. And now the crypto has recovered, right? And there was some breaking news. Celsius did file for bankruptcy. So if you were in Celsius, consider that money gone. Crypto.com, I'm hearing of major problems there. I'd be very cautious if I was lending money to Crypto.com and even Coinbase. Coinbase, one of their main banks that they use, has stopped withdrawals. So I'm putting Coinbase on alert. That Coinbase may be the next shoe to drop because there's been some bad things going on with Coinbase, along with all these other trading platforms. We need to get off there and go to Google. Oops, Google, and let's go to Coinbase. Coinbase. Let's see. Coinbase stock price target cut. Yeah, obviously. Coinbase news. Search. The only thing left to go bankrupt is Coinbase. I really hope they will. Crypto wizard, that would be bad for the crypto market. You can see Coinbase as the cryptocurrency market expands, uses need. That's why blah, blah, blah. We're expanding our footprint. Coinbase stock rallies. I don't know where I seen that. I seen an article earlier about Coinbase. And there was something going on with Coinbase, but I can't seem to find it. I'll pull it up in my next article. And I'm going to have a phenomenal fiscal and monetary policy Friday video out for you guys tomorrow. I'm very excited about that. It might take a little time until late evening to get put out because I am traveling back to the great state of Michigan tomorrow as I'm taking a 10-day vacation and a week's paid off for my job because it's been a few months since I've been home. And let's just say it's time for old Vincenzo to have some time off. And that's what old Vincenzo will be doing, having some fun at home and giving you guys fabulous updates, right? But you can see in the short term, the cryptos, if you want to continue this bull market, you can see, or this little mini push up, you got to get above this 200-day and the longer time frames, a 2-3 hour time frame. Right now, you're wicking up to it. And if this gets rejected, you can see the hour time frame, you've actually broken above in a wick, but then you've come back down. You got to maintain above that. And the technical target, like we're talking about, this falling wedge here, it's all the way back up here at 22,181. And we'll watch out for that today to see if that does indeed, Gesundheit, proper modulation. We'll see if that actually does come back up there. And you can see XRP has indeed come back up too. We had that little wick down and then a nice pump back up. And if we continue to pump up, you could try to make a run up here to 37 cents, right? As we could get a nice little push up in the market out of the Fed 2 weeks from today, going to be raising interest rates anywhere from a half a basis point to maybe even a full basis point, which would be the biggest rate hike since probably 1982-ish, right? 83, 82, somewhere in there before they started going the other way. So we'll see what happens there with that and see if this market can continue to pump a little bit as we seem to have had a big major dollar reversal after having a big dollar pump today. But we'll see what goes on with that the next few days with the dollar. XRP lawsuit, Ripple scores more tactical wins against SEC as legal drama reached climax, right? So we'll see what goes on there in the crypto market. We'll give you some more updates later on today. Peace and love. Peace and love.